welcome to Betty's Big Blizzard Report. A polar vortex is sweeping across that state, bringing with it piles of snow. Escanaba, snow on the noggin. Snow. Grandma Ray, piles of snow. Dad, I don't want to sing Let It Snow. That's not how the song goes. The most of the UP is going to get to 5 to 8 inches. 8 inches? That's almost here to Elsa. Holy wow. Blizzard mode activated. Even troll country is going to get hit. I'm not talking these kind of trolls. I'm talking those people who live below the bridge. You trolls better just stay home. It doesn't take more than a dusting of snow. You guys to forget how to drive. Let's go to our meteorologist, Poot. How's it going over there, Poot? Poot, you gotta talk into the mic. You only had one job. Now it's word from our sponsors. When's it time to show Elsa? Today's forecast is brought to you in part by a Michigan thing checked out on Facebook for all things Michigan. With temperatures dropping below 250 degrees Kelvin. That's right, a measure in Kelvin. Make sure you're ready to shovels. And load up on salt. Salt Bay. Don't forget your long johns.
Oh, hey there, Betty. I got my long johns on. I'm ready to go sledding. Are we ready to go?
You forgot your jacket.
Oh, you just said long johns. I didn't know I needed that. Okay, I'll go get the jacket. Bye.
My dad's so embarrassing. Let it go, let it go.